Step 1. Position one connector plate between two front retainer panels, and align all pre-drilled holes. Fasten the connector plate with the supplied screws. Step 2. Take two base panels, and align the pre-drilled holes in THE base panels with the holes on the connector plate. Fasten the base panels with screws. Step 3. Take two support panels and install them on the left and right ends of the module. Step 4. Determine the mounting height. Drill holes at the marked positions. Step 5. Tap the expansion bolts into the holes. Step 6. Hang the shoe rack onto the wall. Tighten all screws. Step 7. Place a few shoes to test stability and load capacity. Installation is complete.